Eliminate bad breath in 5 minutes with this simple super effective remedy. The cause of bad breath may be due to several causes such as oral problems, due to an excess of bacteria in the mouth, or due to the intake of various foods such as onion or garlic. Commercial mouthwashes that are sold in stores to get rid of bad breath contain many chemicals, flavorings and dyes, and their use may cause damage in the long run, because one of the ingredients used to make them is ethyl alcohol, known to weaken the lining of the gums. If you want to get rid of bad breath and refresh your mouth in a natural way, we give you a prescription to make your own mouthwash at home in a simple way. It is also very effective and economical. Ingredients: 1. 2 lemons. 2. 1 teaspoon and a half honey. 3. A cup of warm water. 4. 1 teaspoon and a half of baking soda, optional. 5. Half a spoonful of cinnamon. 6. An empty bottle. Instructions: 1. Put in a bottle the juice of the 2 lemons, half a tablespoon of cinnamon and a spoon and a half of honey. Optionally, you can replace the honey with the baking soda or use the 2 ingredients together. 2. Add 1 cup of very hot water to the bottle and shake well. 3. Use this mixture as a mouthwash by gargling with 1 or 2 tablespoons of the mixture for at least 1 minute. This homemade and natural mouthwash eliminates bad breath because cinnamon removes bacteria from the mouth that cause bad breath. One study found that people who chewed cinnamon gum had 50% fewer oral bacteria compared to those who chewed mint. On the other hand, honey contains antibacterial properties, which also gets rid of oral bacteria, as well as sodium bicarbonate, which also whitens teeth. And finally, lemon juice contains a strong and refreshing aroma that refreshes the mouth and helps to eliminate bad breath.